In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Search on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is select Settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to go to Accessibility, Display and Sound, and Zoom. And you want to ensure Enable Zoom's turned on, so you'll be able to use Google Search in full screen. So after you've done this, scroll down from Settings, and we're going to go to Users and Accounts. Then on the left sidebar, scroll down to Link Services, and we're going to go to YouTube. Now once you're here, select Link at the bottom, and then we're going to scroll down and select Use Browser. So once you're here, press the PlayStation button as well as the square button at the same time on your controller, and press X on your controller to confirm the zoom adjustment. So at this point, you want to select Terms in the bottom right corner, and from here, we're going to be selecting the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, and we're going to go to Google Search. Now when you select this, it'll bring you here, and in order to zoom in, press R3 on your controller a few times, and you're now using Google Search on your PS5 in full screen. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.